are crowing. There must be something on his mind. Well, I feel just like that rooster, baby, honey. You treat me so unkind. They were playing the beginning with that on that sixth string, 1, 3, F, G, and then fifth string, open A, C, and then open D, F, and then open G, A flat or G sharp, and A. I'm not gonna. That's a C note there up on that fifth fret. But I'm gonna play the C note here. C D 1 3, and then F G 1 3. Up in that third position, I'm sorry, second position, A, C, D, F, G, A flat, A on that fourth string, and then on the third string, C, D, that's 5, 7, and then F on that sixth fret, second string, F, G, and then F, G on that eighth fret, and then A, C, again, fifth fret, eighth fret. The G, that blue note, can bend that. And it is that bar 5 is just a nice. You know, you can do a lot of stuff with the bars. You can just keep. Meet me in the morning. 5610 Wabash. Meet me in the morning. 5610 Wabash. Honey, we can be all the way to Kansas by the time the snow begins to thaw. Anyways, just having fun with my electric. Don't be afraid to try at this, because, even if you play a bad note, what the pros say. If you play the right note at the right time, it's always right. But if you play the wrong note at the right time, it's still half right. And that gives you a chance to practice. And, you know, just keep practicing working those fingers. And you can meet your girl in the morning. Peace.